Hi guys, black and gold, elegant, classy, sexy, here I am. No, designs are, that's what we are going to do. Black and gold, amazing designs for your clients. So check this out, it's a 14 episode on Perfect Monday. I'm here with you every Monday. And if you're new here, consider to subscribe. Thanks guys. So as you can see, I'm in a black mood, and that's what we are going to do it as well today. Some black designs. This is the 14th episode of the Perfect Monday, and I'm really excited with you guys. So I will show you some quick step-by-steps with the stamping plates and some pigments and black and gold, because I have seen it quite a lot of black and gold different designs in the shop. So the first thing what we need to do is to buff the tip. And then remove the dust. I'm going to use the foil design gel because it's really nicely highly pigmented black. So I don't have to apply 2 coats of it. So just nice thin layer. Of course you could use this technique for a different kind of colors, but I thought in black and gold it will look really, really nice. So we're just painting the entire tip in black, and then we have to cure it. I can close my products. And then we will be applying the top coat so we can buff the tip. And this step is really, really important. We need to make sure the top coat is buffed so the pigment doesn't stick into the other places, only to the ones we want. And I've got some stamping plates as well. I think this is pretty nice, like a crackle effect, and we can use that. So my tip is cured. And I can apply the top coat. And then cure it. Once it's cured, we can buff it. And I've got some pre-made ones. So I'm just going to buff it, the top coat now. I think it's a very quick but effective design, especially for the clients which don't want too much on their nails, which want something which looks pretty elegant. So I've got my tip buffed. The next step is to use your stamper and then go into the pigment. You can use any kind of pigment and then just rub it in. So nicely rub this in. And then once you're happy, you can go into your stamping plate and apply the stamping polish. I will go maybe for this look. So apply it on your stamping plate. Spread it nice. And then transfer on your stamping plate, stamper. So we should get those kind of look. And then we can just transfer it on the tip. So I'm searching for the nicest places. And I have to wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, I can remove the pigment from the area I don't want it and then top coat it. So it gives this kind of like a crackle look, which I think is pretty nice. That's it dry now. Yeah, so you can see, okay, I can easily remove the pigment from the places which didn't transfer, and then I can apply the top coat. Then cure it. On the next one, we can go a little bit more complicated and use maybe some swirly beads. I think that will look pretty nice too. So just exactly the same. Rub the pigment in. Have the tip. And go for a swirly bits. So we have picked up the design, and now we can transfer it. You have to wait just a couple seconds for it to dry, and then we can remove the unwanted pigment. Might actually do a tiny bit more in the corner here. That's better. So in the meantime, when we wait for it to dry, I'm going just to clean my stamper to save you time. And now remove the unwanted pigment. So we can see how nice and simple designs we can create with this technique. And then apply the top coat on the entire surface. Cure it. Now I've got also one more in here. So I can put this one on the side and maybe go for this one here. So back the tip. Remove the dust. Apply the pigment. You can also use two colors pigments, like you could apply maybe a silver and a gold, and you would fade it on your stamper and then transfer it into the design. So I'm just applying on another one. When working with the stampers, make sure you don't press too hard when you're picking it up. You have to kind of roll it in. Ideally, I should pick up one more scoop. This stamper is pretty small, so I'm going to do that. And also I will show you what I do if I'm not happy with something. So I can clean it with the tiny bit of the nail dehydrator. I'm going to clean this place. I'm going to prep my stamping plate again. Again, prep my stamper. You could use also the lint roller, or you could use a bit of the sellotape. I find that the wipes and the tiny bit of the nail dehydrator works pretty quick for me. And that's what I tend to use to clean my stamper. Okay, so just one more time, because I want to get a full coverage on the tip. Roll it in, pick up the design, and now we can transfer it. Wait for it to dry and then remove the pigment. Wait for it to dry and then remove the pigment. and then apply the top coat. So it's something slightly different to use our stamper on, make it a little bit more interesting. Now I can show you the designs which we have created using this technique. So something pretty simple and quick for your salon designs, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, because every Monday we've got a new designs coming up for your clients. Thanks guys, bye!